how to clear cache and data of your YouTube app in your Android device. So let's move forward to our video and you have to watch this video till the end. First of all, you have to navigate to your phone setting, so which is represented by the gear icon in your home screen. And after that, you have to scroll down and tap on your app or app and notification here. And here you have to just go for the manage app. And once you are here, you have to tap on see all app or app info to view all installed app here. And you have to scroll down and find the YouTube app in the list, or you can go for the source app and search for the YouTube. And once you have opened up your YouTube setting, you have to tap on the storage and cache depending on your device version, or you can go for the clear data, which is on the top right corner, bottom right corner of the screen. And you will see the option clear cache and clear data. So you have to tap on the clear cache to remove temporary files that are taking up space. So if you want to remove all YouTube data, including saved setting, preference, and account login, you can tap on the clear data and confirm by tapping on the OK option, which will reset the app. So here you can see that. So the clearing cache only removes temporary data such as video thumbnail or app preference. Or and the clearing cache removes all user data such as login credential, watching history, or app setting. So here you can see that which after this process, the clearing cache or data can help you to resolve issues like app crashes, slow performance, or login problems. So that's it for today. If you like this video, please hit that like button and subscribe for more. I will see you in the next one. Thank you.